Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online accounts with 1Password, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with 1Password, first, download the application from the official website or your device's app store. Once installed, open the 1Password app. If you're a new user, select the option to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, choose a strong master password. This password should be unique and not easily guessable. Make sure to remember this password, as it's the key to your vault. 1Password will now guide you to secure your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a backup of your account recovery code. It's essential to write this down and store it in a safe place. Next, log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will see your main dashboard. To add an online account, click on the Add Item button. Select Login from the list of item types. Enter the website URL where you want to save your login information. Input your username and password for that account. You can also add notes or tags to help organize your entries. After entering all details, click Save to store the login. Repeat this process for all other online accounts you want to secure. To access your passwords, simply open 1Password and log in with your master password. You can search for accounts using the search bar at the top. When you're ready to log into a website, click on the entry in 1Password. Select the Copy Password option to copy your password to the clipboard. Then, navigate to the website and paste your password in the login field. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your accounts. 1Password makes it easy to store your two-factor codes. Just add a new item and select TOTP for the time-based one-time passwords. Finally, regularly update your master password and review your vault for any outdated entries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.